On a serene farm, life was a symphony of cheerful sounds and vibrant colors. The vast field stretched under the open sky, adored with Pa. The farm animals were the proud inhabitants, each with its own rhythm and tune that contributed to the farm's vibrant harmony. At the heart of the bustling barnyard was Bessie, a cow whose cheerful moo echoed. The Bessie was known for her giant stature and even bigger heart, always greeting everyone with a playful grin and generous moo that sounded like music to everyone's ears. She took pride in sharing her joy. Nerby Percy, the pig, was jumping around in muddy puddles, his oinks resonating with excitement. Percy's playful antics were contagious, turning the mud pit into a festival of laughter and gist. Rosy coat was often splattered with mud, but his happiness was a sight to behold, with a love for rolling around and basking in the sun. Percy was the farm's entertainer, always had a trick up his sleeve. Not far from Percy, Sherry the sheep, Fluffy and Snow White, was munching on clumps of grass. Her ball was gentle yet captivating, and she had a calming presence that softened even the touch. Sherry's woolly coat shone under the sun, and she was known for the soothing melody of her bow that would often lull. Claire strutted around in search of a prime spot for her nest. Her clucks were sharp and quick, creating syncopated rhythms as she went about her business of laying eggs. It was her keen way of orchestrating. Carly the horse galloped across the pasture with an impressive speed. His majestic neighs echoed in powerful ways, instilling a sense of awe and reverence. Standing tall and proud, Charlie was the leader among the animals, his strength woven into the fabric of farm life. Each day on the farm ended with a grand chorus led by these spirited animals. Standing tall and proud, Charlie was the leader among the animals, his strength woven into the fabric of farm life. Each day on the farm as night fell, the once vibrant barnyard quieted, but the echoes of moo, oink, baa, cluck, and neigh lingered in the air, a reminder of a lively day well spent on the farm.